and I wanted to show off these new garden decorations that I got. But look how cool these are. These are from Global Sources, and Global Sources is sponsoring this video today. And they're beautiful flowers. They have an egg in the middle that lights up at night. There's a solar power charger in the back, and they charge up during the day, and at night they have LED technology that makes this look like a burning flame, and they light up for up to 8 hours at night. And I'm so excited for Iris to go outside and see these. So these are quite tall, actually. I don't have it on the bottom piece right now, so because I wanted to be able to show it off to you guys. But they're gonna sit really high when they go into our garden. And these are supposed to be very easy to stake into the ground. And I just think these are so gorgeous. And what's really cool is they're all hand painted too, and handcrafted. So they're really something special, and I just can't wait to decorate our home with these. So currently these are only available business to business, so if there are any retailers who are watching my videos, you can buy these in bulk to stock them in your store. And I'm gonna put a link to Global Sources in the description below to check out, but they do plan to have them available for individual sales soon.